It's all live out, right? All right. A very warm good evening to everyone who joined us today. On behalf of the Ex-Vakite Association and Bhavan's Old Student Society, I would like to welcome an eminent and a very famous celebrity, Shri Puneet Isarji, all our enthusiastic panelists, participants, and all our viewers for the evening. My name is Sanya, and it is a pleasure to be host and the moderator for the evening. The topic for today's discussion is importance of mental and physical health in challenging times that has been selected on the basis of the current prevailing situation due to COVID-19. Today's event is being presented to you by the alumni organizations of two very prestigious schools in Chandigarh, that is Vivek High School and Bhavan Vidyalaya. The Ex-Vakite Association has been a forerunner in bringing together various alumni organizations of the Tri-City on a common platform through social and sports events. The organization enjoys support from all over the world through its members and keeps its ideology in line with the needs of current times. Bhavan's Old Student Society BOSS, as it is called fondly, is an alumni organization of Bhavan Vidyalaya Chandigarh and is a functional for more than 20 years. BOSS is popular among the student community for hosting a 10,000 plus student fest every year. Even during the COVID times, BOSS has raised rupees 5 lakh and donated 350 PPE kits and 5,000 water bottles to the doctors, nurses, and policemen. For today's discussion, we have on board the following panelists that I'm going to introduce. To start with, we have Mr. Karan Gilotra, the senior most panelist with us, who is the chairman of PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry Punjab. He is the recipient of the State Honor Punjab Youth Icon Award 2020 and has been included in the group of experts under the chairmanship of Montek Singh Ahluwalia ji to plan a post-COVID economic strategy for the state. He is the founder of Laksha University in Mohali, a very versatile personality. He has business interests in the automobile, real estate, hospitality, warehousing, and farming sectors. Next up, we have Mr. Karan Mahajan, who's a third-generation agripreneur and a TEDx speaker. He is managing partner of Durga Seeds, a pan-India and global specialized seed company. He is the founder partner of All That Grows, an online seed delivery initiative. He has also co-founded Leaf and Life, a regional microgreen subscription service. He is an active member of the Seeds Association of India and Industries Association, Chandigarh. Next in line, we have Mr. Vinay K. Agarwal, who is the president of BOSS, that is Bhavan's Old Student Society. He is a chartered accountant by education and the co-founder of Zogas Healthcare, a startup helping elders and bedridden patients. He, along with his wife, have co-founded Health Some Life, a regional diet management startup in the wellness space. Next, we have Dr. Vikram Bedi, who's amongst the most successful neonatologists and pediatrician in the city. He's presently working as a senior consultant at Bedi Hospital, which is one of the most renowned mother and child hospital in Chandigarh. He was adjudged as the best pediatrician in the Times of India in Tri-City. Last but not the least, we have Mr. Ranjot Singh, who was born and brought up in Chandigarh. He is a graduate in business management. He's currently involved in multiple road construction projects with the Punjab government. He's also active in youth politics and associated with the Congress party. One of his endeavors is a local NGO named Meri Beti Mera Ghar. We welcome all the 5 panelists on board. Now, dear friends, the last few months have been very hard on each one of us. For almost all of us present here, our work patterns have turned upside down. Our priorities have changed and we are struggling to accept the new normal. While facing such unexpected situations, it becomes imperative not to lose patience. We can gift ourselves each passing day by taking care of the greatest asset we have, that is our health. When we talk about our health, most of us make the mistake of understanding health as a physical well-being. However, health has to be taken care on both mental and physical levels. Now, to shed more light on this topic, we have with us the eminent panel of experts, along with Shri Puneet Isarji, who will be joining us shortly. Till that time, I would request one of the panelists the senior most panelist, Mr. Gilotra, to share some views till the time we are waiting for our eminent celebrity.
Thank you, everyone. And thank you to both the associations for having me over. It's a great honor and pleasure being here. I would just like to share that as an organization, PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Punjab chapter, we have been taking a lot of initiatives wherein people like all of us who are involved into various businesses, and I'm sure these are tough times and there are a lot of hardships being faced by everybody, including our manpower. So we've been conducting a lot of Zoom calls for each segment of the industry with the concerned officials, concerned ministries, with the even up to the chief minister, center minister level, so that all these times can be taken care of, because it is very important to kind of keep all your resources intact and also parallelly to take care of your manpower. So it's really, really tough times, and I'm sure everybody would agree that these things are not ending soon also. So that is why the theme of the session also today, because it's just not about mental health or physical health. One has to be very, very particular on maintaining a right balance between the health right now, whether it's mental or physical, because if you're not mentally fit, you can't keep yourself physically fit, and to be physically fit, you have to keep yourself mentally fit. So that is how one has to keep striking that balance. And I'm glad I was invited for this session, and I'm sure when Mr. Puneet comes, he's going to enlighten us with a lot more on how he's coping up. I think I can see Mr.
Yes,
Easer has
Mr.
joined.
Gilotra, Mr. Puneet Isarji has just joined us. So it gives me immense honor to say a few words in the grace of the legend of Indian soil, Shri Puneet Isarji. He's born in 1959 in Amritsar. Shri Isarji is best known to us for his charismatic role of Duryodhan in the epic TV series of Mahabharata. He started his career in Bollywood with the movie Coolie against Mr. Bachchan. Having a good command over northern and southern languages in India, Mr. Isar has done hundreds of Hindi and non-Hindi films. Movies, TV series, theatre, web series, reality TV shows, you name it. And Puneetji has done them all. Having completed his schooling and graduation from prestigious institutions in Mumbai, Puneetji had aspired to become an Indian Army officer. But fate had different plans for him. In 2004, Puneetji directed the film Garv, Pride and Honor starring Salman Khan. Other than being a trained actor himself, he's worked as a speech, diction, and method acting professor. Besides, he's also a trained mixed martial artist and is skilled in kung fu, karate, boxing, and wrestling. Ladies and gentlemen, it is hard to find such a combination of qualities in a single person. We welcome you on board, sir.
Thank you. Hi guys. How are you all?
We're doing all good, sir. Everybody's
Ronnie,
saying a very big hello to you.
Good evening, Uncle. How are you?
All
Thank you for
well,
coming. Thank you for joining. Very overwhelmed that you have taken time and joined us for this session.
Yeah.
Hi, Puneet sir. How are you?
Hi, Karan. How are you? कैसे हैं आप?
I'm good, sir. All good, sir.
All well. Yes. So how's COVID treating all of you all in Chandigarh? All quarantined, घर पे. Good.
Everybody is staying home and trying to be safe. That's the best thing we all can do at this current situation. And I think everybody in Chandigarh is following that pretty well and taking care of themselves.
By and large, people are following the norms, you know. It's so important. Right. Isolation is so important at this particular moment.
Yes. And so many viewers are sending you so that they are your big fans and they are so pleased that you have joined us today evening. And we're going to discuss on today's topic that is basically on mental and physical health in these challenging times. So, sir, would you like to share a few points on this topic before we proceed
Definitely.
further?
You know, I would, it's so, in fact, nostalgic, I would say. Like Mahabharata has again started after 32 years it is being aired on Doordarshan, and Ramayana and Mahabharata are the biggest watched shows ever.
Right.
Like, it has broken the record of Game of Thrones and everything. That's the kind of viewership people are shocked and they're seeing. But you know, there's one thing I would like to tell my viewers and my well-wishers and, public across the world, that this is one time where you have to, it's a fight of life and death.
Very true.
Here, you don't have to take out your sword, go out and fight. It's basically you have to fight this COVID-19 by staying home. So please stay put home. Isolation is very important. Social distancing is very important. And so people would follow that. That is very important. And I would like to narrate a small incident of the Mahabharata.
Sure, sir.
In that war, when Dronacharya was killed by the Pandavas. That time, his Dronacharya's son, that was Ashwatthama, he was a great warrior too. So what he did, he took out one of his Brahmastras. It was called the Narayan Astra. That was a kind of like a missile those days, what they had. So he took it out and he used it against the Pandavas, all the enemy who are standing with weapons. And that the best thing about that Narayan Astra was that whosoever was carrying a weapon in the hand, metal in the hand, his Astra would go and destroy all the other weapons. So that was the kind of Narayan Astra which he had. And he leashed it on the Pandavas. So Lord Krishna told all his warriors, all the Pandavas and his warriors, that just put your Astra Shastra Hathyars down. They were amazed. Why is he saying that? I'm just telling you all, put it down. So the Pandavas, and don't think of war, put your Astras down and just stay put. And when the Ashwatthama's Astra came, the weapon came and tried to attack them, it couldn't do it because nobody was carrying weapons. And ultimately, the effect of that was nullified. So likewise, today, the war against COVID is that social distancing has to be followed.
Very true, sir.
Yeah.
That was very informative, and I think it's a blessing, sir, to hear from such a charismatic icon of India. Now, exploring this topic further, let me ask one of our panelists, Mr. Karan Gilotra, I think who's the chairman of PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Punjab. Mr. Gilotra, we very well know that one of the sharpest blows of COVID-19 is economic in nature. Could you tell us how your chamber is assisting in the industrial sector in these times?
Yeah, so Chamber has been actively involved and actively making all the different segment of industries reach out to all the concerned authorities, concerned ministries. In the past also, the last I would say 40-45 days, we've held our sessions with right from Captain Amrinder Singh Ji to Mr. Nitin Gadkari, Mr. Piyush Goyal, and various other ministries and various other concerned officials, because it is a very, very tough time for industry, for manpower, because everybody is under lockdown. The entire supply chain has been put to halt. And apart from this, there is pressure on the industry, I would say on human grounds also, to take care of their manpower and their team members. So I'm sure Puneet sir will be able to let us know how we all can stay positive ourselves and also keep our teams positive, because I'm personally feeling that another deterrent of this lockdown could be that everybody's going to get so lethargic getting back to work and getting onto the similar lifestyle what we used to live, at least as far as active part is concerned, not about socializing, work on the work front. It's not going to be easy to resume to that way. So I would request Puneet sir to tell us how we can keep motivating ourselves first, and then the same way we can spread that positivity and that motivation amongst our teams.
Karan, I know it's easier said than done, but it's all in the mind. It's all in the mind. You have to make up your mind that we have to fight this out together. And you just can't let this depression, because, if you watch television, it's negative. You watch any news channel, they're just giving you figures. And ultimately what happens is, by the time, it's like an energy maggot. It sucks your energy. that, everything is bad. I can understand. The pandemic is very, very, it has a heavy effect on the entire world. But the thing is, what you have to be mentally strong, which is very important. I would like to share a small incident with you all.
Yes.
This was way after, the Coolies accident had happened with Mr. Bachchan. I had done that film Coolie. And after that, I got very busy, started doing films, and Mr. Bachchan was doing films. And after Mahabharat, I remember I was signed for a South film. And I was shooting in Chennai. That time it was called Madras. So I was shooting in some studio. I was there, and then I got the news that Mr. Bachchan is shooting in the same studio, in the same complex, on some other stage for some South film. I thought, yeah, I must go and say hi to him, pay my respects to Mr. Bachchan. So I got some time. I got to know that my director said, "Hey, sir, we don't need you for half an hour." So I just would like to just walk across to the other stage and meet Mr. Bachchan and come back. Yeah, Puneet, please go ahead. So I went to the other stage to meet Mr. Bachchan. When I went inside, like, people saw me, people knew this is Puneet, sir, who's come. So I asked them, where is Amit ji, kahan pe? So they said, yeah, and I couldn't see Amit ji. Then suddenly, far off, and it was month of May or June. It was very, very warm, humid and hot, and especially Madras becomes very warm and hot. It must be, like maybe 42, 43 degrees temperature. At that time, I saw in one corner, and those days you didn't have air-conditioned stages. With all those lights and that heat, it was like a furnace. At that time, I saw one man sitting on a chair with his beard, with his wig, mustache, clothes, and he had a blanket wrapped around his body. Seeing him, I thought, "Is aadmi ko garmi nahi lag rahi hai?" So I went up to him, "Hello, sir." I said, "Hi, Puneet, come, sit." But I saw him memorizing his lines and sitting in that corner. If he wanted, he was a big star, he could have gone to his makeup room in an air-conditioned room, and then when his shot was required, he could have come. But I saw him, he didn't go out of that room. He was sitting in one corner and just memorizing his lines. So I saw him, and for me it was incredible, like, this guy is amazing. So I asked Mr. Bachchan, like, "Sir, aapko garmi nahi lag rahi?" तो पता उन्होंने मुझसे क्या कहा कि पुनीत, गर्मी यहां है, सोचोगे तो गर्मी लगेगी, नहीं सोचोगे तो नहीं लगेगी. Amazing, that man. See, that's the spirit. So what happens is, in fact, a lot of interviews, a lot of people ask me that, "Puneet ji, आजकल ये कोविड में, इस कोरोना की महामारी में आप क्या कर रहे हैं?" I keep telling people, okay, yeah, this is, in fact, take it as a blessing in disguise. Like, I have never had 3 meals together with my entire family. Invariably, somebody's out or somebody's in. You're getting time to bond with your family. It is so beautiful. My wife, she's been a brilliant, she runs the house meticulously, and she's a brilliant cook. So I am to getting, getting to eat amazing food 3 times a day. But the best part is that it's the bonding with your family. You're having meals together. We've distributed housework together. We had, like, jobs have been assigned. I'm doing something. My son Siddhant is doing something. So it's an amazing thing. And then what happens is, time and again, you read the newspaper, or you on the phone, you read the news, or you watch channels. They bog you down. Your energy levels, they go down. Like, they're like energy maggots. They suck energy. But that's the time you tell yourself, no, this time shall pass. It will pass. And we are all in it together. So what I do is, the best thing is, to my mind, like, I always wanted to do, I've started working out. In fact, I work out 2-3 times a day. Mornings I train in the evenings. So it's a blessing in disguise. That's what I love. I've started doing pranayam. I've started doing Surya Namaskars. Like, people who are watching me, like I'm blessed. God is being very kind to me. My small garage, it's a very hardcore. I've converted my garage into a small gym where I've got the basic equipment. I've got everything. There is no AC. It's totally hardcore. So I go down, I train regularly. But I would like to tell my people, like agar aapke paas mein, suppose you don't have a gym, no problems. You can do basic squats and you can do dips. आप दंड बैठक जिसे पुराने जमाने में कहते कर सकते हैं. आप प्राणायाम करिए. Make your lungs strong. Make your immune system strong. So and writing, I've got time to write something. I'm writing. I love to sketch sometimes. I'm sketching certain things. So it's an amazing thing. So the idea is it's all in your mind. You have to conquer your mind.
Very true, sir. Thank you so much. I think that was the need of the hour, and whatever you've shared in terms of the family bonding, I would totally second that thought. I think even all the working people in this current stage, nobody has got so much of time to spend with family these days, but these have been like a long family vacations that we all are on since the middle of March. So I think it's going on pretty well. Moving forward, sir, as you just said, that an important aspect is to maintain good health and healthy eating. Now, in modern times, the thought that usually crosses everybody's mind is whether they are eating nutritious and healthy. So I would request Mr. Karan Mahajan to maybe add in a few words on this topic.
Puneet sir, good evening.
Hi Karan, how are you? Good evening.
I am good, sir. I am good, sir. Thank you so much. It's an honor to be speaking to you all on this platform. Yeah. Sir, I would like to talk about, as you said, building immunity is the most important thing right now. I want to talk about family health. I am from the seed sector. My company sells vegetable seeds. So I want to talk about how important it is for everyone to do a little bit of gardening, have a small kitchen garden, maintain it, whether it's a small garden, whether it's a balcony with 10 pots, जिसमें सब vegetables उगा सकते हैं. Because आजकल food adulteration is on such a high that what we are eating, we don't know whether it's pure, whether it's what. Injectables are going into our food. People are using a lot of pesticides. Sometimes a product like say brinjal and tomato, the pesticide content, it is there even after cooking. So it's really scary. So my request to all the viewers is to grow a little bit of your own food. Like palak, it's so high in iron, 30 days mein ready ho jata hai. Pan throughout the year, pan India mein grow kar sakte hain. It's so easy. Growing your own food, I say becoming a small farmer for our family, for ourselves, is the best gift we can give to our loved ones. Secondly, I would like to tell everyone about a superfood which is getting popular throughout the world. It's called microgreens. Agar hum microgreens ko Google kare, so they are small pockets of health bombs which are very easy to grow, and they are so high in nutrients that they build your immunity. Like broccoli microgreens are great for your lung capacity. Radish is great for your digestive tract. And just I request everyone to Google microgreens. And if you need any information, I am always available. So I would like to know your views on healthy eating, growing your own food, and आपकी diet में क्या है जो हम जिसको अपना सकें? So what do you say?
You see, Karan, what you said makes a lot of sense. In fact, in Mumbai as well, before this pandemic, people have been hooked onto organic farming, and people are doing that. See, you guys out there in Chandigarh are very well blessed because you have got so much of space.
Right.
To have kitchen gardening is there. But in Mumbai, there is a constraint hai jagah ka. But यहाँ पे भी मेरे कुछ दोस्त हैं, उन्होंने शुरू किया था on the terrace. They started gardening.
Yes, sir.
They have started. Some people have done it. Yes. So like it was there, but वो जितना होना चाहिए वो नहीं हुआ. But eventually, they say, as they say, necessity is mother of invention. So yes, this will happen. Eventually, we are going to go back to our old age. Because, what happens is, इतना pesticides और इतना contamination है, तो आप जो खाते हैं, क्या वो सही है? नहीं है. So much. So purity is not there. So for good health, it's very important. अगर आप ये करें, जो आपने कहा, बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. It's very, it's a thing where people must pay heed to it and do it. For me, I eat everything, but I follow the golden rule where I eat everything in moderation.
What is your favorite dish, sir, if I may ask?
Yeah.
What is your favorite dish?
पता है कहते हैं ना कि I'm a foodie by nature. तो मुझे खाना पसंद है, मुझे हर तरह के cuisine, मुझे हर सब्जी पसंद है. And I am very fond of vegetarian food. It's not that I don't eat non-vegetarian. I do eat non-vegetarian. बट वेजिटेरियन भी मैं बहुत खाता हूँ. सो मुझे तो हर चीज अच्छी लगती है. मतलब आप मानोगे नहीं, आप सीजनल सब्जियां हैं, मुझे पालक कहो, मेथी कहो, गवार कहो, फ्रेंच बीन्स कहो, भिंडी कहो, आप जो भी, गोभी कहो, आप जो भी सब्जी कहो, आई कैन ईट एवरीथिंग एंड आई लव इट.
That's nice.
Vegetables are very, very important. Greens are very important.
सर आपने पालक मेंशन किया. पालक एक बालकनी में एक छोटे से गमले में अगर उगाए तो सारा साल उग सकती है और 30 दिन में रेडी हो जाती है. उसके लिए कोई जगह की जरूरत नहीं है.
बिल्कुल, देखिए कमाल बात है, तो करना चाहिए. अल्टीमेटली वर्ल्ड इज गोइंग टू गेट देयर. वो होगा, ये होगा.
सर एक फैन क्वेश्चन पूछूं?
हाँ जी, पूछिए ना.
सर महाभारत एज यू सेड वापस आ रही है 20 साल बाद. राइट नाउ यू आर अगेन 25 साल बाद. हमने बचपन में देखी थी when I was probably 7-8 years old. सर आपको your household name again. Yeah. My parents are watching it every day. I watch it whenever I can. How are you feeling?
It's an amazing feeling, very nostalgic. Calls started coming and people are just saying, sir, you guys were amazing. The kind of performance. कभी कभार मैं on and off मैं भी देखता हूँ. Then I realized, अच्छा ये हमने किया हुआ यार. लगता है ये हमने किया था. It is very nice.
That's
it's great to relive our bachpan, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. I know.
That's apparently very true. Just like Mr. Mahajan shared about all these things, I think the same
I would like
in my household.
मैं इसमें छोटा सा ऐड करना चाहूंगा. इसी एक जो हमारे यहाँ पे एक मिथ है ना कि भाई सिर्फ नॉनवेज खाने से ही आदमी जो है that's a healthy diet, और कि भाई so I think a man and a person, आप जो घर का जो खाना पकता है आप वही खाइए. दाल भी खाइए, सब्जी खाइए, पल्सेस जो है वो लीजिए. लाइक एक बैलेंस डाइट रखिए. आप घर का कम तेल कम मिर्ची हो तो घर का नॉर्मल खाना खाते रहे तो आपको सारे जो न्यूट्रिएंट चाहिए, जो आपको विटामिन चाहिए वो मिलते रहे. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट जैसे मैं आई डोंट ईट व्हीट. मैं नहीं खाता. कोशिश करता हूँ आई अवॉइड इट. तो मतलब मैं क्या, बिकॉज जिस रीजन में रहता हूँ हमारे महाराष्ट्र में, तो महाराष्ट्र में रागी एक आटा मिलता है तो रागी का आटा खाते हैं. तो यू हैव टू कीप चेंजिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू द रीजन. पंजाब में जैसे वीट, तो आप पंजाब में वीट खा सकते हैं, अब वो खाइए. ये है कि एक बैलेंस डाइट रखिए. लाइक मे बी आई स्टार्ट माय डे विद फ्रूट्स एंड देन आई हैव माय लंच के बाद में बेसिकली फ्रूट लंच. इवनिंग्स में थोड़े से आई हैव सम नट्स और समथिंग, एंड नाइट्स आई डोंट ईट कार्ब्स एट ऑल. नो कार्ब्स, मे बी लिटिल बिट ऑफ प्रोटीन में किसी भी फॉर्म में, फिश में हो गया, कभी एग्स में हो गया, या कभी पनीर में हो गया. So that, and some greens. So that's what you do.
That's great. So thank you for sharing your personal routine. I'm sure all the viewers are going to actually give a thought on it. And thank you for sharing, Mr. Mahajan. I think we all need to look into it and start growing at our own pace. Next, I would say that, sir, Puneet sir, we know that a lot of discussion is going on right now that how you need to stay positive. And one of our panelists, Mr. Vinay Agarwal, who's also the president of BOSS, he has his 2 startups on his name, that is healthcare sector. So, Mr. Agarwal, can you please share with the audience that what has your experience been so far?
Yeah, thank you, Sania. And I, on behalf of the Alumni Association of BOSS, thank Puneet ji for joining us. So as we're talking about the mental health, and I'm going to share my experience. In fact, my wife had fought postpartum depression a few years back. And surprisingly, the numbers in India are increasing. We are at almost 14% of our population which is suffering from some kind of mental disorder. It can be depression, it can be some kind of anxiety, and the numbers would increase. So just sharing my story, or side of the story, we as a couple, noticed depression in 2015 after we were blessed with our son. And the symptoms were quite mild initially, and frequently she used to disconnect in the family. I mean, the words like quarantine and social distancing were not used that way, but then they were felt in the family initially. That's when we decided to go for the medication and visit doctors. But then I realized कि boss ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. Obviously we cannot continue to go to the doctors. We have to fight this battle ourselves. So उस stage पे we decided, let's pick up things that she loves. So cooking एक element है, जैसे पुनीत सर ने अभी share किया about his experience at home. तो हमने decide किया कि हम we'll do some calorie calculations, understand what is the unhealthy side of the cooking, how we can reinvent the cooking part of it and create new recipes. So ऐसे करते करते that's how we founded our first startup, Healthsome Life, which is into regional diet management. And now I'm helping her along with my other startup, which is August Healthcare, that's looking after the elderly. And elderly as well, they are facing a similar problem. Depression is a very common thing. And I would certainly request Puneet ji to, throw some light on how, teachers, mothers and elders, can take care of themselves during this phase, especially with the mental issues. Over to Puneet.
विनय, मैं इसमें जरूर बात करना चाहूंगा कि देखिए क्या है कि पहले ना पुराने जमाने में ना what used to happen was people were very active.
Right.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah. We all can hear you, sir.
पहले जमाने में ना people used to keep working a lot. Like men, women used to work in the fields. So there were a lot of physical activities which used to happen. They should take part in. So what used to happen? They used to burn a lot of calories.
Right.
Women used to work in the fields. Men used to work in the fields. After that, women they used to get up. Like I've seen my grandmother getting up at 4 in the morning, having a bath in those cold fields with cold water. And then she used to go, मंजों से दूध निकालना, गांव से गायों से दूध निकालना, और फिर उसका दही निकालना, मक्खन निकालना, फिर काम करना घर का, फिर सब्जी काटना, बनाना. So women also used to work a lot. But what has happened with the technology, science taking over? That is the downside, that people have become very less active, especially people in the house, the women of the house. So वो क्या बस खाना पका रहे हैं? अच्छा, then हमारा जो पंजाबियों का जो खाना पीना, how it is with a lot of oil, ghee, tel, makhan. So what happens is that's not very good because it's high in calorie and a lot of milk products are being used in Punjab. So what happens is it's a high calorie diet. तो osteoporosis के chances हैं, फिर gout हो जाता है, फिर बहुत सारी ailments आ जाती हैं.
Right.
That is, और सबसे बहुत जरूरी, स्पेशली जो आप घर में, जो आपने कहा आपकी माताएं हैं, आपकी वाइफ्स हैं, बहनें हैं, सबके, उनके लिए एक चीज मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि फिजिकल एक्टिविटी है ही नहीं. उनको कहिए they must walk.
Right. बिल्कुल.
आपके gardens and big houses, ask them 1 hour of walking is very important. You see, this is what I keep telling, like I'm 60 plus. I will be 62 this year. I generally believe, I truly believe that a human, like जो human body है, अगर ये ढंग से खाना खाए, सही खाना खाए और अपने शरीर का ख्याल रखे, a man can easily live up to 125, 150 years.
Yeah.
It's all in the mind. Again,
Right.
कि क्या, जैसे पता है तो आप बूढ़े हो गए, अब तो बूढ़े हो गए, तो then आप खटिया पकड़ लेंगे, आप बैठ जाओगे.
Correct.
हमारे एक तो पंजाबियों में आपने देखा होगा, it's a very sad thing कि हम क्या समझते हैं, यार एक्सरसाइज करना रहा, तो दंड बैठक मिलना है जवानी में, अब मुंडा जवान हो गया भाई और दंड बैठक मारेगा. अरे यार, जब आदमी की गाड़ी नहीं होती है, आपका जब ये जो पूरा सिस्टम पूरा नया ताजा है, तंदुरुस्त है, दैट इज द टाइम आपको एक्सरसाइज की जरूरत है ही नहीं. आपको एक्सरसाइज की जरूरत पड़ती है 40 के बाद, जब गाड़ी थोड़ी आपकी पुरानी होने लगती है, तब तो कहते हैं कि यार उनका हो गया जी, उनके बच्चे बड़े हो गए, बच्चे बड़े हो गए. अरे 50 के बाद नहीं यार, अब क्या, आप तो बेटी की शादी की बारी आ गई है. दैट्स रॉन्ग. इनफैक्ट इंसान को 50 के बाद एक्सरसाइज must be made compulsory, that you have to work out. Yeah, I'm not saying you start doing martial arts or you start doing heavy weight training. See, अपनी कैपेसिटी में आप एक फ्री हैंड कर सकते हैं, आप योग कर सकते हैं, योगा करिए, आप दंड बैठक मारिए, अपने जोड़ों को उसको खोलिए, वॉक करिए, रनिंग करिए. These things are very important, because what happens is, see, it's like when you take a new car, you don't need servicing for the first 1 or 2 years. But once the car gets older, then after every 2, 3, 6 months, you say, यार गाड़ी की अंजर पंजर इसके हिल गए, अब इसकी सर्विसिंग की जरूरत है.
Right.
गाड़ी की सर्विसिंग बहुत जरूरी है. So ये जो हमारा जो शरीर है, this is also a machinery. इस मशीनरी को एक्सटर्नली इंटरनली हमें ठीक रखना है. एक्सटर्नली कैसे आप ठीक रखेंगे? बाय फिजिकल एक्टिविटी. जो पुराने जमाने में लोग क्या करते थे, खेतों में चलते थे, कुछ एक सब्जी काटने के लिए औरत आधा किलोमीटर चल के गई, काट कूट के सामान रख के लेके आई, फिर रखती है, तो काम करती है। आदमी काम करते हैं। so, फिजिकल आजकल क्या है, शॉप या मॉल जाना है, चलो जी आप घर से निकले, एसी कार में बैठे, एसी ऑन किया, गाड़ी में बैठे, फिर ड्राइवर को बोला यार जा अंदर से वो शॉपिंग अपना मॉल से यार ये सामान लिया। आप घर में बैठे हैं, ओए रामू आ जरा यार पंखे का बटन ऑन कर दे यार। तो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज हमारी फिजिकल एक्ट अगर आप सोचेंगे वो बिल्कुल बंद हो गई है,
बिल्कुल बंद हो गई।
सो पीपल मस्ट स्टार्ट, एक तो फिजिकल एक्टिविटी शुरू करें, दे स्टार्ट आप वॉकिंग शुरू करिए, प्राणायाम आप घर पे बैठे हर इंसान कर सकता है, इट्स वेरी सिंपल। बिकॉज व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन यू इनहेल ऑक्सीजन, दैट्स लाइफ, हर टिश्यू को वो रिजेनरेट करेगा और आपके न्यू टिश्यूज बॉर्न होंगे। तो प्राणायाम इज द की, प्राणायाम करिए, फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज करिए, चलिए, और खाना जो है वो एकदम सोच समझ के खाइए। आपको पता है कि घर वालों को बोलना पड़ता है कि भाई मिल्क आफ्टर 18 months once you grow old you don't require milk, it's an infant's food, दूध तो पीना ही नहीं चाहिए।
I agree.
डेयरी को कम करिए। You know these small things हमें घर में बताना चाहिए। अच्छा देन होता है कि रात को आपका हेवी मील नहीं होना चाहिए, because once after eating when you just sleep, you know you have to eat light, especially in the evenings.
Correct.
I know it's easy से बोलना बहुत आसान है और करना बहुत मुश्किल है, लेकिन ये करना पड़ेगा। घर वालों को समझाइए कि ऑयल हैज टू बी पुट लेस, मसाले कम, उसमें मिर्ची कम हो, because ultimately what is going inside, you know, there's a small activity I would like to share with my viewers. You know, once in between I had become, you know, like you get disoriented. I was working so much, doing films, I was directing, I was doing, and I had gained weight. Then somebody told me, you know, Puneet, do one thing. It's an exercise. You can, बोलता आप एक काम करिए, आप एक बाल्टी, get a bucket and you keep it beside you, and whatever you consume in one day, whatever you take, same quantity आप उस bucket में डाल दीजिए। तो वो सुबह उठे, आपने 2 गिलास पानी पिया, 1 गिलास पानी पिया, आप 1 गिलास पानी डाल दीजिए। फिर आपने 2 कप चाय पी, 2 कप चाय उसमें डाल दीजिए। उसके बाद में आपने पराठे खाए, मूली के पराठे खाए, या गाजर के या गोभी के पराठे खाए, अंडा खाया, वो डाल दीजिए। ब्रेड बटर सैंडविच खाया, वो डाल दीजिए। फिर आपने कहा कि चलो जी एक मिल्क शेक पी लेते हैं, 1 गिलास दूध पी लेते हैं, वो भी डाल दीजिए। फिर आपने लंच खाया, आपने 4-5 रोटी खाई या पराठे खाए, दाल खाई, सब्जी खाई, वो भी डाल दीजिए। शाम को आपने चाय वाय, वो भी डाल दीजिए। रात को आपने 1-2 पैग लगाए, वो भी डालिए। आपकी बकेट फुल हो जाएगी और शाम तक दैट विल स्टार्ट स्टिंकिंग।
So true.
That is gone into your stomach. So it is very important. And that's the time when I thought of that, I did that and I realized, stop. I had to stop. You know, then you realize हमारे कितना overwork करना पड़ रहा है हमारे stomach को. You know, it is so difficult for your digestive system.
बिल्कुल सर, फूड लॉग वही बन गया।
एक जिंदगी में याद रखना, आदमी खाना ना मिलने से नहीं मरता, खाना खाने से मरता है। ये
very good point, sir.
So what I would say, you know, like have a healthy, balanced diet where fruits are a must. In the morning, start your day with fruits. You know, avoid milk. Milk is an infant's food. सारे पंजाबी बहुत गुस्सा होंगे मुझको ये देख के, बट मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ, milk is for infants. Stop having milk. After that, when you having tea, you have a black tea, you have a black coffee. आप और अच्छा ये जो मैं तो I am against sugar free, ये शक्कर भी जितनी हो सके कम, you know, करके आप breakfast करिए, breakfast आप eggs कर सकते हैं, whatever you want you can have, जो करें. Then you having lunch, again you have a healthy diet, you know, where you have a, you know, you have, आप रोटी भी खा सकते हैं, आप सब्जी भी लीजिए, दाल भी लीजिए, कम तेल में, जो भी है. Evenings you can have some nuts. You must walk. Morning करिए, evening में कुछ करिए, and रात में कोशिश करके avoid carbs at all. Have greens and some protein maybe. You know, this is the way, you know, आप एक पूरा बना लें. Breakfast should be like an aristocrat. They say, you know, like as a king. lunch like an aristocrat and dinner like a beggar. वो old saying है वही है.
Old saying, Ayurveda.
That was a very good piece of advice, sir, coming from you. I think it was eye-opening for most of us. Thank you so much. Now, related to this topic, we also have a doctor on board. Dr. Vikram Bedi is here. I'm sure, Dr. Bedi, you have something to share in terms of how to take care of yourself in the day-to-day life, as we might have to live with this situation, I don't know, for maybe next few months.
Yeah, thanks, Sanya. Good evening to Puneet, sir, and good evening to everyone.
Hello, Ji. How are you? Hi, Vikram.
Good, sir. Good. So basically, the medical pundits, what they are saying right now is that the prediction is that this might become a seasonal flu, and we might have to start living with the fear, and we might have to start living in a different way from now onwards. Basically, see, the lockdown is temporary. We would have to eventually go out maybe after 2 months or let's say 1 month. But I think it's about time that we realize that we would have to live with this virus. So how do you suggest, sir, the pregnant woman and the elderly and basically all of us, how should we treat it in future so that we deal with it properly? What's your take on it, sir?
Vikram, I would say first thing is very important that all the precautions, what the medical world has told us, we must follow them. Like, mask is very important. You see, because ये क्या है कि how we have influenza, flu कैसे होता है, उस तरह we have to live with it. You never know, like maybe 50% of India is already suffering with this. They're just carriers. It is there. So what happens is, but हमारा बताऊं देखिए, हमारा जो immune system है, हम हिंदुस्तानियों का, हमारे यहाँ पे मलेरिया है, डेंगू है, इतना कंटामिनेटेड फूड मिलता है, पोल्यूशन इतना ज्यादा है, हम ऐसी हवा में जी रहे हैं. सो हमारे यहाँ पे देखिए, वर्ल्ड में क्या, आप इटली देखिए, जो यूरोपियन कंट्रीज हैं, वहां पे पोल्यूशन नाम की चीज ही नहीं है. सो वहां पे फॉर देम दे कैन नॉट डील विद इट. बट वी इंडियंस जो हैं हमारे यहाँ पे, और आप सोशल नॉर्म्स को फॉलो करिए. मास्क आर इंपॉर्टेंट, स्पेशली फॉर द प्रेग्नेंट लेडीज जो हैं. आप डाइट सही रखिए. Diet has to be fine. Keep washing your hands, which is very important. Then mask is going to become, I think so, very, very, it is going to be like a second feature. Like everywhere you'll see people, there is a thing of the future. Like, okay, it is there. पहले कैसे होता था, भी फ्लू हुआ यार, मुझे फ्लू हुआ है, मैं तो यार हफ्ते के लिए दवाई ले रहा हूँ. इसका भी आपको पता ही है कि hydroxychloroquine is there, and I believe they say it is not only the hydroxychloroquine. I believe erythromycin and zinc tablet is the combination what they've been giving to these COVID warriors.
Yeah, that's true, sir. Zinc is basically one of the most important immunity boosters. So
yes,
that's, yeah.
So it's a combination of, because I've got friends from Zydus, the pharmaceutical firms.
Yeah.
उन्होंने मुझे बताया है कि it is hydroxychloroquine, erythromycin and zinc tablets. इसका कॉम्बिनेशन वो लोग देते हैं, जो दिया है, जो लोग ठीक हुए. Eventually, maybe it's a matter of time. The world will definitely, human race is very resilient by nature. We're going to fight it out. We're going to come out of it. But जब तक है, women have to be careful. Kids have to be careful. You can't say कि नहीं मुझे कुछ नहीं होगा. वो नहीं चलेगा. आपको ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. Mask, social distancing रखिए. Mask जरूर पहनिए if you're meeting people. And then thermometer जो है, checking the temperature, body temperature, ये लग जाएगा. With I think 2 महीने में everybody's going to have that at workplaces also. Like we also contemplating once it opens up, like all the offices will have that. Whosoever person walks inside, उसका temperature लिया जाएगा. उसका temperature अगर ठीक है, भैया तू आ, बैठ, बात करो, तो distance होगा, करके उसके बाद में ultimately देखिए जो पुराने हमारे जो थे, अब हाय डूड, हाय ब्रो, हम आके हाथ मिला रहे हैं, गले मिल रहे हैं, किस कर रहे हैं, अब से नमस्कार पे आ गए हैं सब लोग.
Actually, yes.
So that is there. तो वो social distancing वही है. टच, ग्लव्स पहनना, लोग ग्लव्स पहनेंगे, हाथ नहीं मिलाएंगे किसी से, हाथ जोड़ेंगे, एंड बाहर जाएंगे तो एहतियात बरतेंगे. पीपल विल हैव टू डू दैट. एंड देन उसके साथ में स्पेशली फॉर women, pregnant ladies, for घर वालों के लिए, is make your immune system strong. Right food, right diet, सही खाइए, and work out. Make your lungs strong. Inhale, deep inhaling, exhaling. You know, अनुलोम विलोम करिए, अपनी नाड़ियों को ठीक रखिए, जो आपकी जो नाड़ियां हैं, आपकी ब्रीदिंग सही करिए. You know, भस्त्र रेखा है, you know, then कपाल भाती है. There are very simple exercises हैं योगा की. कपाल भाती, भस्त्र रेखा है, कपाल भाती है, अनुलोम विलोम है, जालंधर बंद है. So basically, just sit down, deep inhale with a count of 10, deep exhale with a count of 10, deep inhale, deep exhale. These are the things, you know, make your lungs strong. That's what you have to do.
जैसे सर आपने बोला like the namaste वाला thing, we see in the pregnant females there is a myth, Indian myth, family कहती है 40 दिन तक बाहर नहीं जाना pregnancy के बाद.
हाँ बिल्कुल. कोई
So this is where yes, we see that they are immunocompromised. That is the weakest time where they can catch things. So now we are seeing कि पुरानी चीजों से हमें काफी चीजें relate करने को मिल रही है.
हाँ भाई, कि देखिए वो औरत को जो होता था कि लेडीज ऑफ द हाउस, उनको एक अलग रख दिया जाता था ताकि क्या कोई आए, कोई बीमारी नजला ना दे जाए. अभी भी होता है, जैसे घर में किसी बच्चे को अगर खांसी सर्दी हो जाए या किसी बुजुर्ग को, कि नहीं छोटे बच्चे के पास नहीं जाना यार, छोटे बच्चे को आप गोद में मत लीजिएगा, क्या आप उसको दे सकते हैं. सो जो हमारे ये जो छुआछूत, जो छोटा बड़ा परहेज जिसे कहते हैं ना, परहेज इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. प्रिवेंशन इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट देन क्योर. सो दैट वाज देयर, हमेशा रहा है. इवन मुझे याद है कि हमारे यहाँ पे होता है कि जब कि बच्चा पैदा होता है तो फॉर 40 डेज बच्चे को बाहर नहीं निकालते, because the child is more immune to, more prone to, you know, get any infection.
Very true.
So these things we have to take care.
Right, sir. I think that was again very learning and very interesting too, and especially to how to take care of yourselves while sitting at home. Thank you, Dr. Bedi. Sir, we have another panelist, Mr. Ranjot Singh, who's totally into charitable work, and recently he runs this NGO and he donated quite a stuff in the society. So Ranjot, could you share how was your experience and how did you manage to do all this?
Good evening, Uncle. How are you?
Hi, Ranjot. How are you?
All good, all good.
Good work. God bless you.
Thank you so much. So nice. We have this. Hanji. So we have this NGO running. Meri Beti Mera Garv was started by my mother 5 years back, and we've been helping small girls by educating them, and also by doing other stuff like going to this deaf and dumb school and giving them, you know, gifts on their birthdays, and going to old age home as well, and celebrating, you know, elders who are staying alone, celebrating their birthdays as well. And right now in this COVID thing, we've been distributing cooked food to all the nearby villages, surrounding villages in Chandigarh. And we've been doing it since the day one, since the lockdown has started. And also we just donated some gloves and everything to the local police, so that you know, they had this requirement, so I donated that. So I'm sure like a lot of things in Bombay, people are also doing, a lot of Bollywood stars are also doing. What do you think about this, Uncle? Like how is it going in Bombay?
You see, you know, always the film industry, we are like one family, and whenever there has been any crisis, we all have stood together. So in their way, everybody's contributing. You know, like inspirational speeches, videos are taking out, and then we have the Cine Artist Association. We have this the CINTA, it's the actors body. Then we have the Film Mazdoor Sangh. You know, because we have a lot of, there are very blessed actors who are so well off, they can sit at home, they can eat. But there are many actors, the junior artists, our younger brothers, where they used to earn every day, shoot every day, make their daily wages, and they used to eat. They used to earn a living. For the last 2 months, film industry has stopped. So we all actors have got together, where people are donating for them. So see, सबसे बड़ी बात है Ranjot is that ये है सेवा भाव. इसे हम कहते हैं ये पुरुषार्थ का काम है. You know, सेवा करना. You see, the best thing about our Sikh religion, जो भंडारे खोल दिए हैं, लोगों को हम खाना खिलाते हैं, आप गुरुद्वारों ने दरवाजे खोल दिए सबके लिए। ये इतना बड़ा कार्य है। और ये मेरा हमेशा ये अटूट मेरा मानना है बेटे कि ईश्वर जो ये सब देख रहा है। आप जब किसी की सेवा करते हैं ना, इससे बड़ा नोबल कॉज कोई नहीं है। वे आर हेल्पिंग द नीडी, व्हेन यू हेल्पिंग द नीडी, ऊपर वाला देखता है, वो आपको 10 नहीं, वो 1000 गुना ज्यादा देगा। बरकत होती है बेटे। हमारे में हम तो मानते हैं कि आपके घर में अगर कोई दरवाजे खुले हो, 4 आदमी खाना खा के जाते हैं, तो मीन्स ये आपकी बरकत है, एंड गॉड विल गिव यू। So what you are doing is commendable. In Bombay also, a lot of actors are doing it. People they do things they don't talk about. Why should we talk about it? यहाँ पे NGOs को हम हेल्प कर रहे हैं, हमारे फिल्म में जो मजदूर हैं उनको हेल्प कर रहे हैं, those junior artists actors हैं हम उनको हेल्प कर रहे हैं. So this is there. A lot of actors are doing it. So I think this is a very good cause. Because I can understand people who are blessed, they can see कि ठीक है pandemic has happened and they can sit at home and they can okay चलो भाई 3-4 महीने बैठ जाएंगे, कोई बात नहीं. They've got their reserves. But what about those people? My heart goes out to them. Especially when I see the Mazdoors, migrating from one state to another state. It is so shameful and it is so heart-wrenching. I feel कि क्या हो रहा है यार ये. एक मजदूर बेचारा जो 200 रुपए रोज कमाता होगा, 100 घर भेजता होगा, 100 से अपने दिन का गुजारा करता होगा. He's sold things, he's bought a cycle and he's traveling by road, they are traveling. It's very, very sad. I would appeal to the government, उनको देखो. अब स्पेशली मैं देखता हूँ चैनल्स वो बस ब्ला ब्ला अपने चैनल की टीआरपी के लिए वो लगे हुए हैं. वो जानबूझ के खुद भी दे शॉटिंग ऑन द टॉप ऑफ देयर वॉइसेस जस्ट टू क्रिएट कंट्रोवर्सीज. वो एक तरफा बात कर रहे हैं. अच्छा, अगर आपको एक तरफा बात करनी है, आप दूसरे लोगों को क्यों बुला रहे हैं दूसरे कंट्री से? बेसिकली यू वांट दैट फाइट टू हैपन सो यू कैन बूस्ट योर ओन टीआरपीज. ब्रिंग थिंग्स अबाउट देम. उनका क्या कर हो रहा है? सो my hats off to all those guys जिन्होंने ये एनजीओस खोले हुए हैं, जो लोगों को हेल्प कर रहे हैं. दिस इज द टाइम. हम आपकी जो शक्ति है, आपकी जो जथा शक्ति कहते हैं ना, जिससे whatever it is in your capacity, if you can help, you must help. Everybody must do it. I think this is very important. This is the need of the hour and we must do it. It's very important.
Very true. That's really praiseworthy. And thank you, Ranjot, for sharing your views, sir. There are few questions that your fans have put across. Yeah. So to start with, I would ask, sir, that one of the fan has asked you that you were part of the Bigg Boss show. Yeah. So could you please share that how is the Bigg Boss situation different from the current situation?
I would say, देखो अब क्या है कि मैं हमेशा कहता था कि Bigg Boss जो था ना, जो मैंने जो किया था, it was a correction center. For me, it was not a Bigg Boss house. It was a correction center where I was there. I stayed with 15 unknown people where I had to, it was basically, for me, it was, controlling your hunger and your anger. Two things, anger management and hunger management. So it was an amazing experience. मैं समझता हूँ वो आज भी वही है. तो जो होल वर्ल्ड हमारा जो पूरा इंडिया है, इट्स बिकम अ बिग बॉस हाउस. आप घर के अंदर बैठे हैं. सो दिस इज द टाइम टू कंट्रोल योर एंगर, योर माइंड डिविएटिंग. हाउ डू यू हैव टू मैनेज योरसेल्फ. हमने वहां पे कैसे हम रहते थे, हम वहां पे झाड़ू भी मारते थे, हम वहां पे अपना बाथरूम भी साफ करते थे, हम खाना भी पकाते थे, हम कटका भी मारते थे, हम बर्तन भी धोते थे. तो वो आप जब बिग बॉस हाउस में किया तो might as well do it in your own house. Help your spouse, help your family. Every man must do it. And believe you me, katka mariye, वजन कम हो जाएगा.
That's very true, sir. Exactly. I think most of the men are doing it.
For me, cooking is very therapeutic, So I try going and making something. कुछ ना कुछ मैं try करता हूँ कि today breakfast I am going to cook, or lunch I am going to cook, or dinner I am going to. So I keep trying new recipes. And घर की dusting, कभी हुआ को dusting कर दी. So my wife is, she does it. My son does it. So these things are there. Party, like in these small things also. एक वो बहुत खूबसूरत कहावत है in हिंदी कि गम बांटने से कम होता है और खुशी बांटने से बढ़ती है. वैसे ही अपने घर वालों के साथ घर का काम करने से आपकी जो फैमिली बॉन्डिंग है ये और भी स्ट्रांग होती है.
Right, sir. Now, sir, next question is, are we going to see you in any of the upcoming movies in 2020?
Oh, yes. I recently did a Yash Raj film. It's called Jesh Bhai Jordar.
Okay.
Ranveer Singh is there in it. So I've got an amazing character in it, a very lovable character I'm doing. It's a very important, pivotal character in the film. It's called Jesh Bhai Jordar. Yash Raj has produced the film, in which Ranveer Singh is the hero.
Wow.
So I've shot for that film. So it was supposed to be released in September, which now maybe, I don't think so now, it will be September. Maybe once everything goes back to normal, wo film aayegi.
We're looking forward to it.
Yeah.
And so next question is, so what is the best way to remain positive mentally during the lockdown times?
To remain positive, don't lose your focus. Eat right, work out, and respect every person's identity. मैं आपसे अपने जो श्रोता ने बात कही है, मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि जब मैं बिग बॉस के घर में था तो वहां पे हमको झाड़ू भी मारना पड़ता था, कटका भी मारना पड़ता था, बर्तन भी साफ करने पड़ते थे, हमको बाथरूम तक धोना पड़ता था, और केवल अपना नहीं, दूसरों का भी. We had to clean everything. So वहां पे जाने के बाद हमको चाय भी बनानी पड़ती थी. अगर गलत बन गई तो वही चाय पीनी पड़ती थी. हम ये नहीं कह सकते थे कि रामू यार क्या बकवास चाय बनाई है, नई चाय बना के लाओ. हम नहीं कर सकते थे. Because ration was limited. हमको वहां पे एक हफ्ते का राशन दिया जाता था. I would like to share with you all once जब हम बिग बॉस घर में गए थे. So what they did, like the big boss का एक announcement होती थी कि please go to the storeroom, and एक buzzer बजता था, और storerooms we used to go open the storeroom and there was ration. So we went inside, we got the ration, and that time some female was somebody was the captain or something they had. So, and like something we had done where I was a slave. Me and Gautam Gulati, we were the slaves of the house.
Yeah, I remember, sir.
हमारा ये था कि भी हमको लास्ट खाना खाना है और हमको सबके लिए खाना पकाना है. ठीक है भाई. तो फिर हमने कहा कि हमें पराठे बना के दो, हमको सबको 2 अंडे बना के दो. हमने ये खूब बनाया, और राशन जो थर्सडे को आया था वो सैटरडे को खत्म हो गया. हमने थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे 3 दिन में सारा राशन खत्म कर दिया. अब नाउ वी स्टार्टेड शाउटिंग कि राशन, ओके बिग बॉस खाना भेजो. कोई आवाज ही नहीं आई. संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, 4 days we were without ration. हम भूखे रहे हैं बिग बॉस के घर में. It was all how to manage, management skills. वो आपको एक राशन दे देंगे, आटा, सब्जी, दाल, चावल, कांदा, आलू, प्याज, टमाटर. You have to divide that. 15 आदमी के लिए कितना बनाना है, वेस्टेज नहीं करनी है. तो we went without, तो क्या सिर्फ खिचड़ी बना के हम एक कटोरी खिचड़ी सबको देते थे. 4 दिन हमने भूखे निकाला है. But like necessity is mother of invention. We learned that, and then we started. When the next Thursday ration came, we divided that ration into 7 days. So that's what I would like to tell my people. आप घर पे अपने राशन को उसको systemize कीजिए. And the best thing, when I came back from the Big Boss house, you respect your servants. I came and I hugged my servant. Okay, thank you boss. Give me a big hug, यार. जब छोटी चीजों को ना, we take it for granted. अरे यार वाइफ है ना, यार माँ घर पे है ना, बहन घर पे है ना, वो कुछ ही बना देगी. You start valuing things. That जो selfless love आपको आपकी बीवी, आपके बच्चे, आपकी माँ, आपकी बहन देती है, आपका पिता देता है आपको, उसको वैल्यू करिए. Guys, get up today. When you go back home, just go give a big hug to your mother, to your father, to your wife, to your spouse, to your sister, to your brothers, and to your servants as well. So they are the ones बेचारे कुछ बोलते नहीं हैं, हमारे से गालियां खाते रहते हैं. ये सब चीजें मैंने बिग बॉस घर में सीखी थी और मैंने उस पर अमल किया. तो मैं चाहूंगा हमारे जो श्रोता हैं वो ये जरूर करें.
Thank you, sir. I'm sure all of us are going to receive loads of hugs today, warm hugs.
Yes.
We have one more question, sir. How would we deal with psychology of children these days? Being a parent, what all things must be kept in mind to ease our children since it's a difficult time for them to be at home?
I know. This is one question, I was in fact waiting for this. You see, because I've got a granddaughter and she's an outdoor person. She's so hyperactive. वो बेचारी घर में बंद कर दिया है. उसको बाहर नहीं लेके जा सकते. The child doesn't know how to express yourself because she's the one who's to love running in the garden, doing cycling, sab. Because of this, band ho gaya. It is, and she's under 10. She's 3.5 years old. So at this time, you have to be focused. Invent new games. Become a child with the child. Play games with her. Innovate करिए. कुछ बनाइए. सिर्फ टीवी के आगे मत बैठाइए बच्चे को कि भाई टीवी या कोई कार्टून लगा दिया. No, a child needs physical activities. Child needs a big hug. प्यार करिए बच्चों को, उनसे समझाइए, उनसे, you must start playing with them. Do some physical activities. I remember when my granddaughter used to come to us, like by the time she used to go, I used to be so poof, इतना थक जाता था मैं, मेरे से कोई exercise होती नहीं थी. So, because they are reservoirs of energy. They've got so much energy. So we must use them. उनसे बात करिए, उनको कुछ ना कुछ गेम्स बनाइए. अब घर के अंदर खेलना शुरू करिए. उनसे physical activities कराइए. Read good poems to them. Read good stories to them. Instill values into them. This is one time you must spend with your little ones because they can't express what is happening. Okay, हम तो पढ़े लिखे हैं, हम बड़े, हम समझते हैं कि भाई it's a calamity. We have to deal with it. तो एक छोटे बच्चे को आप कैसे बताओगे कि ये कोविड क्या है, हम बाहर नहीं जा सकते बेटा. तो आपको धीरे धीरे समझाना पड़ेगा, बेटे हमें ये करना है. बच्चे को पढ़ाओ, अच्छी चीजें. You start reading with them. You start playing some games with them. Like हमारे घर में we do something. We play pirate games. एक pirate हमने game निकाला है, some treasure. So like we hide some treasures. In घर के अलग-अलग corners में हमने treasures hide कर दिए. So the child has to find. So I become आंखों पे एक black patch लगा लिया, just trying to be innovative with the kid and running here and there. Okay, who's going to win the present? Then we started playing snakes and ladder with the child. अब games खेलने शुरू कर दिए हैं. Carom खेल सकते हैं. You can hide and seek खेलना शुरू कर दिया है. Chore police. So these things you have to keep innovating. अब बच्चों के साथ बच्चे बनिए. Because the kids, they cannot express themselves.
Very true, sir. Do you still have time to, sir, answer one or two more questions? All right. So we have one more fan. He's asking, when is Garv Part 2 coming and how was your experience with Salman Khan?
He's a great friend. So very soon we are planning. In fact, I've been into theater. I've made plays. I write. I direct. I had made a play called Ravan Ki Ramayan, where the whole Ramayan was depicted from Ravan's perspective. And then that's a super hit play. Then I made a new play called Mahabharat, an epic tale. The whole Mahabharat is depicted from Duryodhan's perspective. And it's written in poetry form. So that play is a big success. I'm writing 2 more plays. I'm writing a film script. So Salman's a dear friend. I'm making a web series for him called Gama, on the famous wrestler biopic on Gama Pahalwan, which Salman is producing it, which I'm writing, I'm directing it. So yeah, very soon, I'm working on it. Garv Part 2 will come definitely.
That's great, sir. I'm sure the fan who asked this question would be very happy. So I think we would be concluding the session unless until you have, sir, something to say, your end marks, your closing remarks. Would you like to say something, sir?
Yeah, all well. I would like to say God bless everybody. Just stay fit, stay focused, stay home. That's it.
Thank you, sir. And before we conclude and say goodbye to everyone, I think whatever we've learned today from today's session and the special words that have been put up by Puneet, sir, is that everything is in your mind. So we all need to be very positive about what we think.
Last minute, before signing off, I would like to say,
yes, sir.
हमें आज के इस युग के कौरव अर्थात कोरोना से लड़ना है. हमें इस दुर्धर्ष दुर्योधन कोरोना को हराना है. इस पे विजय प्राप्त करनी है. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much,
uncle. Thank you for taking time.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you, sir. And thank you to all the viewers for attending today.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.